Hey student, this is your maths teacher and here I am present with a new topic, which is the topic is area of circle. In the last few videos we have already discussed about the circumference of circle and I hope that you enjoyed the video and having no any doubt. So student, now let's start a new topic which based on area of circle, and first of all let's again explore the formula of area of circle that I have already taught you in the last video, and I hope that you understood how we find out the area of circle and what is the area of circle. So here let's understand what is the area of circle. So students, this is the circle. This is your circle, and as we know that the term area, which means that the region lies inside the area. The region which lies inside the area is called circle. So let's see. Here you can see that the red portion represent the region which lies inside this circle. So this red portion, when we find out its measurement, then this region termed as area of circle. Then this region is termed as area of circle. So I hope the idea about the area of circle is clear. The area means the region which lies inside the circle is called its area. And if we talk about its formula, then we have pi r square. What do you mean by its radius r? So first, if we talk about a circle, then the line segment which is started from its center go to its boundary is called its radius. The distance from center to its circumference is called radius. So this line, that is OA is called its radius. So what is the radius? The distance from center to the circumference is called its radius. So I hope it is clear, and this is its formula, where the value of pi is 22/7 or 3.1417, and this is the value of pi, and this is the formula for area of circle. So I hope it is clear. Now let's understand. Let's see some question. So the first question is, find the area of circle whose radius is 28 centimeter. This is your question. The first question is area of circle. We have to find the area of circle whose radius is 28 centimeter. Let's see what is the formula. So here we write area of circle is equal to pi r square, is pi r square. Now substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7 into the value of radius. The radius is 28 centimeters, so here we write 28 square. Okay. Now solve it. We can write 22 by 7 into 28 into 28. Now simplify. 7 1 ja 7 and 7 4 ja 28. And here we get 22 into 44, into 4 and into 28. Now find the product of 22 and 4. The product is 88 and into 28. Now in order to make the product easier, we use here distributive property over addition under multiplication. So here we can write, it like 88 into 30 minus 2. 28 can be written as 88 minus 32. Now multiply 88 into 30 minus 88 into 2. So when we multiply 8 3 are 24 and 8 3 are 24 plus 2 26, yani 2640 minus 176. Is that clear? Or if you have any problem, then only multiply directly. So I think there is no need to use distributive property. We can directly use the direct multiplication. So here we multiply 88 by 28. So we get 8 8 is 64, carry 6, 8 8 is 64, 64 and 6 is 70. Is that clear? Again 2 8 is 16 and 2 8 is 16 plus 1 17. Now add 4 6 7 plus 7 14, carry 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we get 2464 centimeter square, which is the area of circle, and this area of circle is the required result of area of circle. So the area of circle is, whose radius is 28 centimeter, is 2464. The unit of area is always in the form of square. Let's see the next question. The next question is, find the area of circle whose diameter is 7 kilometer. The question 2 is, find the area of circle whose diameter is 7 kilometer. This is your question. The question is, find the area of circle whose diameter is 7 kilometer. Since in this question the term of radius is vanishes and a new term is used, which is the diameter. So let's see what is the relationship between radius and its diameter. Since, as I told you, that radius is half of its diameter. The radius is half of its diameter. Therefore, we have radius is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 which is equal to 7 by 2 kilometer. So the radius can be written in the form of fraction. If you want, then you can divide 7 by 2 to get 3.5 kilometer also. But for the convenience, leave 7 by 2 considering as radius. Okay? Because if we take radius as 7 by 2, then our calculation become easier rather than if we take radius as 3.5 kilometer. So I will take 7 by 2 as radius in the solution. Now let us see the area. Therefore, area of circle is equal to pi r square. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and the value of r is 7 by 2 whole square, or it can be written as 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Is that clear? Now cancel out 1 7 and 2 1 ja 2, 11 2 ja 22. 2 1 ja 2 and 11 2 ja 22, and here we get 11 into 7 upon 2. We have 11 into 7 upon 2, and when we solve it, we get 77 by 2. Now here I want to show you a trick through which we can find the whole value without using actual division. In order to find the value in decimal without actual division, you have to make the denominator 10. In order to make the denominator 10, since here is 2, so let's find a number through which if 2 become multiply give 10. So as we know that 5 is the number through which if we multiply the denominator, we have denominator as 10. So 5 2 are 10 and 5 7 are 35, carry 3, 5 7 are 35 and 3 is 38. Since the denominator has 1 0, so here we write 38.5 kilometer as area of circle. 1 0 shows that the decimal will move one digit left from right. So here we get 38.5. I hope it is clear. So student, these are the some basic questions which based on area of circle. Now let us revise whatever we have studied. So let's see what we have studied here. Here we have discussed about the area of circle. What is the formula for area of circle? Is pi r square. And what is the area? Area means the region that lies inside the circle is called its area. So here you can see that there is a circle, its border is given by white line and the red portion represents the area, that is the region which lies inside the circle, and this region become measured is called its area. And the value of pi can be given as 22 by 7 or 3.1417, where r stands for radius of circle. And what is the radius? The distance from center to its boundary is called its radius. So these are the basic concept of area of circle. Now let's see the question we have solved. The first question is given that find the area of circle whose radius is 28. Since we know that the area of circle is pi r square and the value of pi is 22 by 7. So we write 22 by 7 and the value of r is 28. Since r is given as square, so 28 square. Square means a number can be written in the form of 2 times of multiplication. So 28 square can be written as 28 into 28. When 28 become divided by 7, we get quotient as 4. We write 22 into 4 into 28, and after finding its product, we get 2464. I hope it is clear. And the second question is, find the area of circle whose diameter is 7 kilometer. Since here diameter is given and the radius of circle is half of its diameter, therefore radius can be written as 1 by 2 of 7, which is equal to 7 by 2 kilometer, or 3.5 kilometer. Now the area of circle is pi r square, or the value of pi is 22 by 7, and r can be written as 7 by 2 square. Now opening 7 by 2 square, we write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now simplify. 7 and 7 become cancel out, and 2 1 is 2 and 11 2 is 22. We get 11 into 7 upon 2. When multiply 11 7 is 77 by 2. In order to make it 2 as a decimal, in order to make it 77 by 2 in the form of decimal fraction, we have to multiply by 5 and dividing by 5 by ourselves. We get 385 upon 10. Since 10 has 1 0, therefore decimal will move from right to left after one digit, and we get 38.5 kilometer square, which is the required area of circle. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, then you can ask your doubt in the comment section. So student, we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.